Check out all our links in the show notes for exclusive bonus clips, upcoming live streams, and our YouTube channel for full-length video breakdowns. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok, and Patreon for behind-the-scenes updates and community discussions. Let's get into today's case. This court order addresses a critical DNA evidence dispute in the Kohberger case, focusing on expert testimony about DNA found on a knife sheath at the crime scene. The ruling carefully balances scientific reliability with evidentiary value while setting important parameters for trial testimony. The central issue involves Rylene Nowlin, the Idaho State Police Lab Manager, and whether she can testify about DNA transfer evidence. The defense challenged her qualifications and the scientific basis for determining how DNA was deposited on evidence. The court's detailed analysis provides important context for understanding both the scientific and legal frameworks at play. Nowlin's qualifications include 20 years as a DNA analyst, certification from the American Board of Criminalistics, and extensive experience in forensic DNA analysis. While the defense argued she lacks specialized training in DNA transfer analysis, the court found her general expertise sufficient under Idaho evidence rules. The ruling emphasized that any limitations in her specific expertise go to the weight of testimony rather than its admissibility. The DNA evidence itself centers on a sample identified as Q1.1, extracted from the knife sheath with a concentration of 0.168 nanograms per microliter. The profile developed revealed DNA from a single male source. Nowlin will testify that this DNA was more likely from direct transfer rather than secondary transfer, basing this opinion on two key factors: the single source nature of the profile and the quantity of DNA detected. The court's analysis delved into current debates within the forensic science community about DNA transfer testimony. The defense cited publications recommending that only specialists with specific DNA transfer training should offer such opinions. However, the court noted these recommendations are aspirational rather than established standards, and there's currently division in the forensic community on this issue. Particularly significant is the court's treatment of terminology around DNA evidence. The ruling requests avoiding terms like touch DNA and contact DNA when possible, as these could mislead jurors to assume direct physical contact occurred. The parties must submit an agreed jury instruction to address instances where these terms might be used. This reflects careful attention to preventing jury confusion while maintaining scientific accuracy. The order extensively examined case law regarding DNA transfer testimony. Notable cases like United States